Welcome to OmniCarrier. In this video, you will learn quickly and easily how to create a ground shipment on the platform, allowing you to monitor the traceability of your cargo in real time and centralize all the information of your logistics operations in one place. Unlike air or maritime transport, in the ground module, visibility depends on integration with carriers, which makes it possible to obtain information directly from the source. Let's get started so you can optimize your shipment management from today. Step 1. Create a group. Go to the Configuration tab, then navigate to Emails and Groups. Click Add, enter the group name, and add the email addresses of the members. Once all participants have been added, click Save. Your group will now be created in the system. This group allows multiple users to receive real-time notifications whenever there is a status update on a shipment. Step 2. Creating a ground shipment. Shipments can be created manually or uploaded in bulk using an Excel file. Manual creation. Enter the shipment reference. This reference helps identify which shipment the automatic email notifications relate to. Enter the tracking number provided by the carrier. Then, select the carrier. It is important to consider that OmniCarrier obtains information directly from carriers integrated via API. Then, complete the shipper and consignee names. In the label field, you can add an additional identifier if needed. Select the notification group previously created. This group will receive automatic updates each time the shipment changes status, such as pickup, in transit, delays, or final delivery. You can also add an additional email if you need to include a third party outside the group. Finally, click Create. Now, let's look at bulk import using Excel. In the New Shipment section, click Import Shipment. Download the template, fill in the required information, save the file, and upload it to the platform. Verify that the number of shipments matches the uploaded data. If everything looks correct, click Confirm to complete the import. Your shipments will be automatically uploaded into the OmniCarrier system. We invite you to start using the platform today and streamline the management of your shipments. Thank you, and welcome to OmniCarrier.